Since day one, Bluefrog Plumbing and Drain has focused on customer satisfaction. Our technicians are trained in customer service alongside their technical training. Here are some of the comments that our customers have made. Jon Shoemake says, "Great place. Chris did a great job on a leak that had potential to become pretty bad. Did a great job getting everything fixed up. Will definitely be using them again. Highly recommended." Deneatra Terry says, "I had a repair that was required on my water softener. My encounters with Bluefrog have been very professional and the plumbing technicians are always upfront about the needed, or recommended repairs. Less mess. Less stress. Call us now for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year plumbing services."